Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming purpose, accessibility or automated testing only because intent changes risk. Once affirmed, install a reputable auto-clicker and verify digital signatures and permissions so the tool can run. Next, open the target CPM-aware window and set display scaling to 100% to avoid coordinate errors. Then, launch the clicker and grant any accessibility or input permissions. Do this now, so the program can send clicks reliably and predictably. When you begin the next configuration, you now configure the click pattern to match your testing goal. First, pick click mode, single, double, or a custom sequence. Choose based on the interaction you need. Then set the rate by CPM or CPS. Remember 600 CPM equals 10 CPS, so timing matches expected loads. Once done, select targeting, fixed cursor coordinates for stable UIs, or image matching for dynamic elements, and add small humanized jitter to avoid unrealistic uniformity. Make sure to preview the sequence before running it full scale. You should begin with a short test run and actively monitor the app's response and the clicker's logs. If clicks are missed or delayed, pause and adjust timing, target coordinates, or grant missing permissions. Small increases in delay often fix race conditions. Once successful, run longer tests and watch resource usage. If things go wrong, check display scaling, close overlays that steal focus, and ensure the target app remains the active window. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most missed click problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.